In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid in Framer. Let's start right inside your Framer project. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your canvas and layers. To create the area that will hold your grid, press the F key on your keyboard. This activates the Frame tool. Now, move your cursor to the part of the canvas where you want your grid to appear. Then click and drag to draw a frame. This frame will act like a container for your grid layout. So try to size it roughly to the area you want your content to fill. Don't worry, you can always resize it later. Once you've drawn your frame, look over to the right-hand side of the screen to find the Properties panel. With your new frame selected, you'll see different sections for customizing how it behaves. Find the section labeled Layout. On the right side of that label, click the small plus icon to expand the layout options. This is where you turn your frame into a grid. Under Layout, change the layout type to Grid. As soon as you do this, the frame switches from being a simple container to a flexible grid layout. Here you can choose whether you want a regular grid or something like a masonry style layout. Masonry is useful if your content has different heights and you want a more dynamic, staggered look. If you prefer a more traditional, evenly spaced grid, leave masonry turned off. Next, set how many columns and rows you want. Columns control how many items appear side by side, while rows determine how many items stack vertically inside the frame. Think about the kind of design you're going for: a 3-column portfolio grid, a 2-column layout for cards, or maybe a more dense gallery. After that, adjust the gap, which is the space between each grid item. A larger gap creates more breathing room, while a smaller gap gives a more compact feel. You can also fine-tune padding, which is the space between the grid items and the edges of the frame itself. Padding helps keep your content from feeling too cramped against the borders. Finally, explore the rest of the settings in the Properties panel. You can tweak alignment, resizing behavior, and other visual details so that your grid looks and responds exactly the way you want. And that's all you need to add and customize a grid in Framer.